Morning, dear students. As you have seen in the previous video, in lesson 6, retirement of partner, the second adjustment, revaluation of assets and liabilities. And now we are going to see the third adjustment, that is determination of new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. As we practiced in the case of admission of a partner, calculation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio, because in the case of admission the existing partners may lose a portion of their share, something is lost to them. So how much they sacrificed we calculated as sacrificing ratio. But now in the case of retirement of a partner, suppose one partner is going out, his share of profit, his share in the next coming year to be shared by the remaining partners. So something they are getting some benefit, we can say, or suppose profit, we can say. So this is what we can say as gain. So that here we have to calculate gaining ratio. So about that only now we are going to see in this video. Okay. So gaining ratio means what and how much portion the existing partners going to share the share of outgoing partners. Something it is gain to them or profit to them. So that's why we used to say this is gaining ratio. So the main purpose of calculating this gaining ratio is how much the amount of goodwill to be paid to the retiring partner, outgoing partner, at the time of leaving the business. For that purpose, we need to calculate gaining ratio. Therefore, the formula is new ratio minus old ratio. For gaining ratio formula, new ratio minus old ratio. But the sacrificing ratio is quite opposite. Admission case la pottamalama old ratio minus new ratio. Inge just quite opposite. Gaining ratio equal to new ratio minus old ratio. So this is the formula, keep in mind. And how they are going to gain, in what way, how much portions, like how we calculated at the time of admission, how the old partner sacrifices a portion of their in favor of new partner. There are 4-5 ways, sacrificing equally, unequally, some portamalla. Like that, here also the retiring partner share can be taken by the existing partners in 4 or 5 ways. 4 or 5 ways. And thereby they are going to get some gain. Therefore, in that case, after that we need to calculate the new ratio. After getting the retired partner share, how much the old partners, the remaining partners, old partners, the remaining other partner share, new share, therefore is what? We are going to see. Okay, Amma? Like the admission case, how we seen 5 or 6 ways the sacrifices by the old partners படிச்சோம். அதே மாதிரி இங்கே here also there are 5 ways by which the remaining other partners can gain the share of the retaining partners. Let me now teach one after one. 1. Equal gain. Please write down the note in that order. புக்கில் அந்த ஆர்டரில் கொடுக்கல, அதனால அதை ரீஅரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி நான் ஒரு ஆர்டரில் கொடுக்குறேன். ஸோ 1. Equal gain. 2. Unequal gain. 3. Only one partner gain. 4th one, when the new ratio is given. And 5th one, when the gaining ratio not given. When the gaining ratio is not given. So in all these 5 cases we are going to see sums. Now therefore, that's what I pointed out, booklet not given that order ma. So for easy understanding purpose, just I rearranged this and start from illustration 10. So நம்ம sum படிக்கும்போது நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிடும். What I just now I pointed out, there are 5 ways in சொன்னலமா. Here one by one the same order if we do now, so easily we can keep in mind the formula or steps involved. Okay, good. Let me now start from illustration 10. By reading this sum we may come to know this is equal gain. I mean the outgoing partner share இருக்குல்ல, அந்த share the other remaining 2 partners will take equally. அதனால அது equal gain சொல்லுவோம். பார்க்கலாமா தான்? Let me now read the 10th illustration. So Kumar, Kesavan and Manohar are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1:2, 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6 respectively. What is that? 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6 respectively. Then Manohar, I mean third partner, retires and his share is taken by, his share ங்கிறதுமா 1/6, right? That 1/6 is taken by the other 2 partners Kumar and Kesavan equally. அதனால இது equal gain சொன்னோம். Do you agree now? Why we are framing this heading as equal gain? Because the outgoing partner share shared by, taken by the other 2 partners, remaining partners equally. Okay? So find the new profit ratio and gaining ratio. Now gaining ratio ங்கிறதுமா equally தான், 1:1 we can say. அதனால we can say as 1:1. How much, who is going out? Manohar. Yes, Manohar's share is 1/6. This 1/6 share is taken by Kumar and Kesavan equally into 1/2 into 1/2. Okay, ma? So now next step, share gain equal to retaining partner share into proportion of share gained. Therefore gaining ratio of Kumar equal to retaining partner share 1/6 into 1/2 equal to automatically 1/12. Similarly Kesavan 1/6 into 1/2 equal to 1/12. So both of them getting 1/12, 1/12. Therefore now we can say the gaining ratio of Kumar is to Kesavan equal to 1:1. And at the end, the final step the gaining ratio of, the new ratio of Kumar equal to old share plus share gained. Old ratio plus gaining ratio கூட சொல்லலாம். Therefore, old share வந்து Kumar's share 1/2 plus what he is, how much he is getting from Manohar 1/12. Therefore, 1/2 plus 1/12 equal to, இதுக்கு LCM எடுக்கும் போதுமா 12 the common factor, 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 1, 6 sorry, then 1 12 is 12, 1 is 1, therefore 6 plus 1, therefore at the end 7/12 is the new ratio of Kumar. Then கேசவனுக்கு பார்க்கும்போதுமா அவருடைய ஓல்ட் ஷேர் 1/3 plus his gain 1/12. Therefore automatically the same way LCM எடுத்திங்கன்னா 12, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 1 12 is 12, 1 1 is 1, therefore 4 plus 1 5, 5/12. Therefore at the end new profit sharing ratio of Kumar is to Kesavan equal to 7/12 and 5/12, that is 7:5. 7:5. Okay ma? LCM now? So nothing here. First step ma, new partners are into 1/2 அது போட்டிங்கன்னா that is how much gain அப்படின்னு கிடைச்சிடும். Therefore that gain plus their old share, that's all you will be getting new share. Okay, you understand ma? Good. This is equal gain. Second, what's that ma? Opposite of that one, unequal gain. அவன் சொல்ல மாட்டான், நம்ம சம் படிக்கும்போது நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிடும். Oh, this is the way that old the remaining partners taking the share of the retaining partners, அப்படின்னு we may come to know. Okay, good. Now just see this ma, comparing the first one, it is quite opposite. That's what it is, unequal gain சொன்னோம். That's why we can call it as unequal gain. Let me now take illustration 9 ma. Rahul, Ravi and Rohit are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. Okay, old ratio. Rohit, third partner, yes, retires and his share is taken by Rahul and Ravi in the ratio of 3:2. இது unequal gain. அவன் சொல்லவே இல்லை unequal அப்படின்னு வேர்ட்ஸில் சொல்லவே இல்லை. பிகாஸ் 3:2னா அங்கே வந்து ஈக்குவலிங் போது 1:1 சொன்னாலமா டேக்கன் பை த அதர் பார்ட்னர்ஸ் 1:1 ஈக்குவலிங் சொன்னோம். இங்கே 3:2ங்கிற 3/5 and 2/5. ஸோ ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலி unequal gain. ஸோ இன் தட் கேஸ் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் the new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Okay, so gaining ratio 3:2 தான். In the ratio we are going to find out. Okay, so let's begin with who is the retained third partner, Rohit share. How much his share is? 2/10. Yes, in the 2/10 Rahul and Ravi, other two partners, shared in the ratio of 3:2. Therefore 2/10 into 3/5. First partner. Therefore Rahul's gain, Rahul's is getting, or Rahul's gain equal to retaining partner share 2/10 into 3/5. 2/10 into 3/5 equal to 6/50. Then second partner, gain of Ravi equal to 2/10 into here now 2/5. 3:2 போது இப்போ இவருக்கு 2/5 மாறி. Therefore 2 into 2 4 by 10 into 5 54/50. Therefore at the end gaining ratio of Rahul is Ravi equal to 6/50 and 4/50. That is, yes, 3:2 சொல்லலாம். 6:4ங்கனால 3:2 சொல்லலாம். ஓகேவா? Now new share of Rahul equal to old share plus share gained. New share of new ratio of Rahul equal to old ratio plus share gained. Old ratio is how much? 5/10, and his gaining ratio is how much? Gaining share 6/50. Therefore 5/10 plus 6/50 equal to common factor LCM 50 தான். 5 tens are 50, 5 fives are 25. ठीक है, 150 is 50, 16 is 6. Therefore 25 plus 6, 25 plus 6 equal to 31/50. That is new ratio of first partner is 31/50 over. Now come to second partner. New ratio of Ravi equal to his old share plus his share gain. His old share is what? 3/10 plus his gain share is what? 4/50. Therefore 3/10 plus 4/50. As usual, the common factor is 50. 5 tens are 50. Therefore 5 threes are 15. Then 150 is 50, 1 4 is 4. Therefore 15 plus 4, 19/50. 19/50. Therefore at the end, new profit sharing ratio of Rahul is to Ravi equal to 31/50 is to 19/50. That equal to 31 is to 19. 31 is to 19. Okay? Understand ma? Good. So dear students, being the first step, I would like to finish these two in this class. I mean equal gain and unequal gain. Okay? Good. The other three, that is when only one partner taken away the full share of outgoing partner, one partner gain solluvom. Then new ratio is given. How to calculate? What is the gaining ratio? When gaining ratio is not given. So the second three way of getting gain I will teach you in the next class. Okay. So with that, dear students, I would like to finish this. So like that, after watching this video, the same, these two type of sum number 10 and sum number 9, the same 10 and 9, sum number 10 and 9, you can do as test and take photo and send to me. Okay, ba? With that, I will stop. Okay, see you. Bye.